Nasal and sinus relief is within reach with FLO Sinus Care, Australia's #1 sinus wash. Are you blocked, runny, sneezy, sinusy or hay fevery? Let's take you through the process of using FLO Sinus Care to help you breathe freely. Adam here is just about to use FLO Sinus Care to clear his nose and sinuses. I'll walk Adam and you through the whole process. Don't worry, it won't take long. The air we breathe each day contains tiny particles such as viruses, bacteria, allergens and irritants. When the nose and sinuses get inflamed by these irritants, it can cause sneezy, runny and congested noses. This is where FLO Sinus Care can help. It works to relieve symptoms of hay fever, cold, flu and sinusitis. FLO Sinus Care is a preservative-free, non-medicated isotonic sinus wash that washes away congestion, irritants and allergens. It's gentle on your nose and sinuses, so it can be used daily. So how does it work? Adam, let's show them. If you want to start breathing freely, just follow these simple steps. Add 200 ml of lukewarm pre-boiled water to a FLO bottle. There's a fill line on the side of the bottle to help you out. Add the contents of 1 FLO sachet. Close the cap on the FLO bottle and gently shake until all the powder has dissolved. Now lean over a basin and tuck your chin into your chest. It's very important to breathe through your mouth. If you don't, you could accidentally take a gulp of the solution. Now insert the top of the cap gently into one nostril until it forms a tight seal. Gently squeeze the FLO bottle until the solution starts to drain from your other nostril. The FLO bottle has 2 place markers on the bottle to show you where to squeeze to help you optimize the wash. Keep going until you've used half the solution. Repeat the same process on the other nostril using the remaining solution. When you're done, gently blow your nose. Clean and dry the bottle and cap and store safely for the next time. How does that feel now, Adam? Looks like Adam's already breathing freely. So there you have it. FLO Sinus Care is suitable for use twice daily, or you can use it as often as recommended by your healthcare practitioner. Breathe freely with FLO Sinus Care, Australia's #1 sinus wash. To learn more about the full range of FLO products, visit flo.com.au.